Alright, so this was one where I thought that the toilet had a blockage. I used the air gun to try to remove the blockage and almost had a heart attack. I was able to get a flush on the toilet, and I realized there was just something going on with the inside of the tank. Yeah, so this was one of the toilets with the Kohler canister seal. What was happening was the seal had gone bad, and it also could have used a new fill valve. I replaced the fill valve, the seal, and the supply line. Got the toilet back up and running. But this is just a quick video showing you kind of, sometimes you might think you have a blockage, but it could actually just be the insides of the toilet creating blockages. Also, a cool fact, if you don't ever feel like taking all the water out of the tank, you can just roll up a bunch of paper towels and put it on the bottom of the fill valve, hold it there, and then take out the old fill valve and put in the new one, and you'll spill a very minimum amount of water. Alright, so that's going to do it. Check out this flush. Much better. Thanks for watching.